wide-eyed. Fireball arcs a dry field. We sit in thin shade, no strength to scream or curse. Our parched lips silently pray for rain. Days pass, lines marked in the sand, no sleep again. Yet tonight is different. Stars disappear, first slowly, then quickly. Heavy darkness consumes them. Is this death? Cracks of thunder jolt us awake. Wild lightning reflects in our eyes. Then it begins, the cool, life-giving rain. Through tears, we look to the sky and whisper, thank you. Kate Finnegan.
Animus. This glaring animosity I harbor for changing seasons is like family drama, predictable, still scandalous. Angry at risen day at first, then fledgling light slips in, and I'm begging for it all to fade and fall from me, like water retreating to its source. Erin, Palazzolo-Loparo.
Fall collage. As ebbing daylight draws lingering designs on dwindling leaves, a lone crow appears as a silhouette in tenuous twilight. Fall's flaming flotillas flutter and dance as they launch on season's rapid currents. First evening stars make their entrance on night's diamond-lit stage. They twinkle in a dazzle to celebrate the sun's descent. Coin moon shudders, last Spartan rays of retreating day. Gardner.
Look, small white flowers, and purple ones with golden centers, and rust red blooms. How have I reached this age and only now noticed how many flowers open in chilly October? Is it because their petals are tiny and less showy than summer's bounty? Or because I am growing forgetful? Birds too are less showy. The cardinal's feathers no longer as brilliant a red, nor the jay as iridescent a blue. Geese honk as they embark on their migration, and leaves fall, faintly rippling a pond. Still, there are frogs on the shore speckled with algae, barely seen in autumn's lowering light. Michael Biales.